In this video, I will help you find the best folding headphones in 2024. Links to all the products we mention in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. At number 5, we have ADH M50X, best for studio monitoring. When it comes to studio monitoring, the ADH M50X headphones stand out as the top choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. These headphones offer a remarkable blend of clarity, accuracy, and comfort, making them essential for anyone serious about their sound production. The large 45mm drivers deliver deep, accurate bass response while maintaining clear mid and high frequencies, ensuring that every detail in your music is faithfully reproduced. The circumaural design of the ADH M50X provides excellent sound isolation, allowing you to focus solely on the audio without any external distractions interfering. The ear cups swivel 90 degrees, making them convenient for one-ear monitoring when you need to listen to external sounds or have a quick conversation without taking them off. The robust build quality ensures durability, crucial for studio use where equipment can undergo heavy usage. Whether you're mixing tracks, editing audio, or simply enjoying your favorite music, the ADH M50X headphones deliver a professional-grade experience that will elevate your listening to a whole new level. At number 4, we have Quiet Comfort 35, best for active noise canceling. Pivoting from the exceptional studio monitoring capabilities of the ADH M50X headphones, the Quiet Comfort 35 emerges as the premier choice for active noise canceling technology enthusiasts. When you immerse yourself in the world of the Quiet Comfort 35, you're enveloped in a cocoon of tranquility. The active noise-canceling feature drowns out the hustle and bustle around you, making it perfect for travel, work, or simply enjoying your favorite tunes in peace. These headphones boast plush ear cushions that provide comfort for hours on end, ensuring that you can enjoy your music without any discomfort. The sleek design and foldable feature make them incredibly portable, fitting seamlessly into your bag when you're on the go. The sound quality is top-notch, with crisp highs and deep, rich lows that elevate your listening experience. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a busy professional, or a music lover seeking solace in a chaotic world, the Quiet Comfort 35 delivers unparalleled performance in the realm of active noise-canceling headphones. At number 3, we have Momentum 2.0, best for audiophile audio. Indulge in the immersive world of audiophile audio with the exceptional Momentum 2.0 headphones. These headphones are a true delight for music enthusiasts seeking top-notch sound quality. The Momentum 2.0 is meticulously engineered to deliver a crisp, clear, and detailed audio experience that will transport you right into the heart of your favorite music. Featuring powerful neodymium drivers, these headphones reproduce every note with precision, capturing the nuances and subtleties that audiophiles crave. The soundstage is wide and well-defined, allowing you to pinpoint each instrument and vocal with remarkable accuracy. Whether you're listening to intricate classical compositions or bass-heavy electronic beats, the Momentum 2.0 handles every genre with finesse. Crafted with premium materials, including luxurious leather pads and a sturdy stainless steel frame, these headphones not only sound fantastic but also exude sophistication and style. The over-ear design provides excellent noise isolation, ensuring that you can enjoy your music without any distractions. Elevate your listening experience to new heights with the Momentum 2.0 headphones. At number 2, we have P7, best for durable design. With its robust construction and lasting durability, the P7 headphones are a prime choice for those seeking reliability in their audio gear. The P7's sturdy build features high-quality materials that not only exude elegance but also ensure longevity. Its sleek metal hinges and luxurious leather headband not only contribute to its durability, but also give it a sophisticated aesthetic. The P7 headphones are designed to withstand the rigors of daily use, making them perfect for on-the-go music enthusiasts. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or simply enjoying your favorite tunes at home, the P7's durable design ensures that they can keep up with your lifestyle. The attention to detail in the construction of these headphones is evident, from the reinforced folding mechanism to the premium materials used throughout. In addition to their durability, the P7 headphones deliver exceptional sound quality, providing a truly immersive listening experience. The combination of reliability, longevity, and top-notch audio performance makes the P7 headphones a standout choice for those who value both durability and audio excellence. At number 1, we have Studio Wireless, best for Bluetooth audio. When seeking top-notch Bluetooth audio performance, the Studio Wireless headphones stand out as the prime choice. These sleek, Over-ear headphones deliver exceptional sound quality with deep bass and clear highs, perfect for immersing yourself in your favorite music or podcasts. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can enjoy the freedom of wireless listening without compromising on audio fidelity. The Studio wireless headphones boast a long battery life, allowing you to enjoy your music for hours on end without interruption. The comfortable ear cushions and adjustable headband make these headphones ideal for extended listening sessions, whether you're traveling, working, or just relaxing at home. Additionally, the foldable design makes them easy to pack and carry wherever you go. Equipped with noise-canceling technology, the Studio wireless headphones block out external distractions, creating a truly immersive listening experience. Whether you're in a busy coffee shop or on a noisy flight, you can enjoy your music without any interruptions. Overall, the Studio wireless headphones are a top choice for anyone looking for premium Bluetooth audio performance on the go.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. You can find the links in the description to all of the products we mentioned in this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.